This video is brought to you by Goofy Majestic Hybrid.
Get your booster jabs. Make sure you be okay. Go get your booster. All you people that haven't got your booster, go and get it today. Rush right down. You need to go down. You need to get it. Go and get it. Go now. Because you're not safe. You're making other people not safe. You're making other people want you dead. Fuck that. I don't care about that. So, when I find my book, I'll continue my readings of the book. I wanted to say something about being burnt. The other day we were beamed pretty hardcore in the house. I have sunburn here, across my head, a sunburnt here, just red as hell, red, like a sunburn. And I didn't go outside. If I would go to my dad's room, the focusing lens would get closer, and the TV was doing shit I'd never seen it do ever. And in my room, if I was going there, this little speaker that I have would start with nothing on it. It's just static coming, like, you know how you turn the speaker on and you know what I'm talking about, when it would get interference. So I don't know what the goal is on that, but for about a day or so, I couldn't even, when that was going on, I could not even think at all. Couldn't think at all. So I don't know why they do it. Today is Friday. It's getting close to Christmas. I think today is my nephew's birthday. I'm still trying to master the self. It doesn't always work. A lot of the stuff I see in the world just pisses me the fuck off. Like the president, and then fucking with Russia, and just a bunch of shit. It's all dumb. Trying not to get caught up in that emotionally is a real motherfucker. The weather's fairly nice here in Texas. The targeted individuals are being radiated with microwaves, but we're not yet dead. I just got rid of the creepy video game that tries to kill you. All they did was shadow suspicion on certain people that remain suspicious. So, there. That's all I've got. And now for Matt. Now for some Matt. Looking like Conan.